Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about effective home workouts with no equipment. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these workouts will help you stay active and healthy from the comfort of your own home. First up, we have a body weight HIIT workout. Get ready to sweat and burn some serious calories with exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers. Remember to push yourself and take short breaks if needed. Next, let's switch gears to a yoga flow. Flow through a series of poses that will improve your flexibility, strength, and balance. Focus on your breath and enjoy the calming benefits of this workout. Now, let's amp up the intensity with a plyometric circuit. Engage those fast twitch muscles with exercises like squat jumps, lunges, and plyometric push-ups. This workout will help improve your power and speed. Don't forget about your core. Strengthen your abs, back, and midsection with exercises like planks, crunches, and bicycle kicks. No equipment needed, just your determination and a mat. Last but not least, let's try Tabata Training. This high-intensity workout involves 20 seconds of all-out effort followed by 10 seconds of rest. Squats, push-ups, and jumping jacks are great exercises to include in your Tabata routine. I hope you enjoyed these effective home workouts with no equipment. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Your feedback is important to me and helps me create more content that you'll love. Remember to warm up before each workout and listen to your body. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and keep crushing those fitness goals. Before you start any new exercise program, be sure to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. The exercises in this video are intended for healthy adults and may not be suitable for everyone. If you experience any pain or discomfort during the workout, stop immediately and seek medical attention if necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more fitness tips and workout routines. See you in the next video.